Are you still spending hours editing? Are you still dealing with manual masking and complicated timelines? Well, you will never have to go through that again because there is now a better way to speed up traditional editing workflows, like removing objects, changing backgrounds, replace elements, and more. Today, we are using O1 or Omni One, the brand new AI model from Kling AI. With just text prompts, you can edit and transform videos and save hours of work. If you're already familiar with Nano Banana Pro for image generation, well, Kling AI takes the same concept and brings it to video. In this video, I will show you the top 10 tricks to help you to get the most out of Kling O1 in your video editing workflow. To get started, head over to Kling AI and sign up with your account. Once you are there, just click on Kling O1 button on the left. First is adding subject. You can start directly from here, or you can go to the transformation section. First, I'm going to upload a video. Then I will type a simple prompt to replace the subject. Change the table lamp to the character of this image. Now I upload the reference image, which is the character that will replace the table lamp. For the settings, you can pick the resolution between 720p or Full HD. The duration and the aspect ratio are automatically set based on your video. Then select how many output videos you want to produce, and click on Generate. And take a look at this. The character blends seamlessly with the original video. The lighting and perspective are spot on. It doesn't just replace the subject, it even adds natural motion to the character, which makes the result feel natural. Not only you can add new subjects, but you can also delete subjects just by writing a simple text prompt. Number 2 is background change. Here's a video of a lemon drink, but the background is quite plain. So I write the prompt, change the background of this video. And I use this tropical image as the replacement background. And generate. Check this out. The edges around the subject stay sharp even when there's a movement, and the lighting and shadow adapt really well to the new background, so it doesn't feel fake or pasted on. I have tested this on portrait as well, and honestly, it feels like I don't need manual masking anymore to change the background. Number 3 is style transfer. First, I'm gonna write text prompt. For example, apply the same style as this illustration. You can choose any style you want, like a 3D render or comic style based on your reference image. Then, add to the entire video, and upload your main video to apply the style to it. Now, generate. And look, it keeps the original motion while changing the entire look. The outlines and colors stay consistent frame by frame, so it actually feels like moving illustration. You can even apply a style without a reference image. Just type a prompt like apply Pixar 3D style to the entire video. Number 4 is motion control. This part is probably one of the coolest features for animation. I start by using this animation as the motion reference. So I write that in the prompt. Then I use a single image of this character with no animation at all as the style reference. And generate. Then the AI transfers that movement directly onto the character. What I like the most is the consistency. The character doesn't break or lose its style across frames. It actually feels like a properly animated character, not just a moving picture. Number 5 is change camera angle. This clip was originally shot from a single angle, I didn't reshoot anything, I just told the AI to generate a different camera perspective. And it created a new angle automatically. You can see how the depth and perspective shift naturally while the subject stays consistent. Number 6 is multi-image blending. I will combine multiple images into a single video. In this example, this is a video of a woman reading a book. And I'm going to blend a sweater, a hat, and even a cat sitting next to her into one scene. By the way, you can upload up to 7 reference images at the same time. What's impressive is how the AI understands the placement and interaction. The sweater and hat fits naturally on the character, and the cat blends into the scene, and the lighting matches across all elements. Number 7 is seamless transition. For this example, I'm going to experiment using the last frame of the first video and the first frame of the second video to create seamless transition between both footage. Then just upload them in the frames option. The start frame is drone shot, and the end frame is semi-portrait shot in the forest. You can also write a text prompt to control the environment and camera movement, but I will skip that and let the AI decide the transition. You can see how smooth the transition between both scenes, and I can simply place this clip as a transition in my video editing timeline. Number 8 is remove objects from video. This trick is honestly a lifesaver. You can now remove unwanted objects from video using AI, no masking, and frame-by-frame cleanup. I just selected what I want gone. For example, I want to remove people in the background. There were a lot of people moving around in the background, and the AI handled all of them at once while keeping the main subject completely untouched. Number 9 is time change. This clip was originally shot at night. I didn't change the location or reshoot anything. I just used AI and turned it into a daytime scene. You can see how the lighting shifts naturally, the sky changes, and the overall color temperature feels like a real daylight. What's important here is that the subject stays completely consistent. It doesn't change identity, shape, or position. Here's the coolest part. You can change the season, even at sunset. Number 10 is subject replacement. Another feature I test is replacing subject like person in a video from a reference image. And this one is surprisingly accurate. So I'm writing this in the prompt, replace the person in the video with the person from the reference image. And there you go. What impressed me is how natural it looks. The face tracks correctly from different angles, and there's no obvious warping or flickering. So that's 10 tricks that you can do inside of new model Kling 01. This completely changes the workflow. We are no longer spending hours masking, editing, and fixing frame by frame. All of this was done with AI. Definitely try Kling AI yourself and see what you can create with it. I will put the link in the description below. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.